This brief tutorial will walk you through the color picker updates in Procreate 5.4. Let's dive in and see what's new. The color panels in Procreate 5.4 have been spruced up a bit. Let's start in the disk mode. It's subtle, but the spacing between items has been improved, and the edges are rounded a bit. There's also a better icon for the value picker. The blank cells for swatches are a nice neutral gray. In the classic mode, the handles on the sliders show a wider swatch of the selected hue, saturation, and value. Same goes for the value picker, it has thicker swatches as well. If I drag the color picker into the companion mode, I can now see my color history in the palette mode. Color history is now available on all iPad models. If you're on a smaller screen, there will be an ellipsis icon you can tap on to toggle between history and the active swatch library. That's all for the quick rundown on the Procreate 5.4 color picker updates. I hope these little improvements make your color selection process smoother and more intuitive. If you'd like to learn more about selecting color, check out my Procreate masterclass at aaronrutten.com.